Ben, I'm also curious, what are some of the biggest challenges that you've either, had to face during the coronavirus pandemic and problem, or you still are facing at PepsiCo?
Biggest one is you don't know what you're going to walk into. So in terms of absence, it can change hourly or daily. So I'm almost constantly buried in kind of manning matrices to make sure that we have enough skills and resource on shift to keep the 7 lines running. Obviously, we're not running 7 at one time, but we've still got 7 production lines. But the biggest challenge for me, I think, as a manager is dealing with those high risk people and those conversations. It's a worry for me as a manager that every time I get a phone call or a text in the evening that it's bad news, and that's it's the time that you dread as a manager that there's going to be an issue with your team or someone's going to be taken ill. With a team of 45 and quite an older generation of people within my team, it's always something it's something that you fear most as a manager. Luckily, it hasn't happened yet, but it's just there. It's kind of like a bit of a cloud that's there.
Yeah, no, I definitely feel that as well. We've got a team of close to 100 people now, and fortunately for us, we do have the ability for all of us to work remote because we are a technology company. But obviously, we're so thankful for the people that are still working, helping us keep food on our tables, helping us take care of us when we're sick if you're in hospitals.